Good morning everybody. Today we are going to see about algebra. In previous classes we have learned so many things about algebra. In this 10th standard we are going to see about the linear equation. So listen, linear equation contains two variable means what is the general form? Look at here, ax plus by plus c which is equal to 0 where that a, b and c are called to be a real number. This is for two variable that is x and y. If it is three variable, the general form will be changed like this, ax plus by plus c z plus d which is equal to 0. Here also a, b, c and d are real numbers. In this at least one a, b, c is non-zero. Any of the coefficient will be non-zero. Then listen, this is for two variable. Diagram for two variable. So listen, this is in the xy plane. This is in the xy plane. Contain one straight line. The two variable in xy plane contains in straight line that is called to be ax plus by plus c which is equal to 0. Then listen, if it is contain three variable, how the diagram will be? Look like this. It is arranged in a plane x, y, z. So in the function general form ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. This is the main concept. If it is linear equation contain two variable, the function will be ax plus by plus c which is equal to 0. If it is 3 means ax plus by plus cz plus d which is equal to 0. Then look to your page number 86. Any linear equation in two variable. Any first degree equation containing two variable x and y is called a linear equation in two variable. General form of the linear equation in two variable x and y is. So how we can write ax plus by plus c which is equal to 0. Then listen to the next topic, system of equation. System of equation contains three solutions. First one is unique solution. If you take this function means this x, y, z contains separate values. X has some value, y has some value, z has some value. But next condition is no solution. When you get no solution, if you solve some equation, you get 0 which is equal to 1 is called to be a no solution. If you solve any of the equation, if the value will be 0 equal to 0 means it has infinitely many solutions. The system of equation has three types. First one is unique, second one is no solution, and last third is infinitely many solution. So what do you mean by unique solution? Unique solution means if you take sum of the linear equation. If you take any of the linear equation, the variables x, y, z which contain unique value. Then this no solution means that if you solving the equation you get 0 which is equal to 1. If you get 0 equal to 0, the solution will be infinitely many. Then listen, our first problem, they asked you to solve. So listen, 1 by x minus 2 by y plus 4 which is equal to 0. 1 by y minus 1 by z plus 1 which is equal to 0. 2 by z plus 3 by x which is equal to 14. This is not easy for solving, so we have converting some values. So now I am taking this 1 by x as a, then 1 by y equal to b, then 1 by z which is equal to c. Now you can rewrite this equation using this values. Then what is for 1 by x? 1 by x you can take a. So for this 1 by x you can take a. Then next 2 into 1 by y, then 2. What is 1 by y? 1 by y is b. Then plus 4 which is equal to 0. Now take these as a first equation. Then listen, what is our next? 1 by y. How you taken 1 by y? 1 by y means b. So b minus 1 by z is c. b minus c plus our constant value plus 1 which is equal to 0. Then next expression 2 into 1 by z. 2 into z is c plus 3 into 1 by x is a minus 14 which is equal to 0. Now take these as third equation. Now we got three equations. What are the three equations? First, the given in the question, we have changed into our convenience. Now we have to solve the values. First of all, take first and second equation. Now I am going to solve the first and second equation. So look at the equation. Here A, here there is no A. And here B, here also B, no C, and here C. Then two constant terms will be there. So if you cancel this B, you will get another equation with A and the C. Here also A and C. So now we have to solve these two equations. First term will be written as same as second term will be multiplied by 2. You can easily cancel first equation and second equation. So for that I have multiplied the second equation into 2. So what is our second equation? 2b, you have to multiply this with the 2. 2b minus 2c plus 2 which is equal to 0. Now look those equations. Now how to see, this is negative and this is positive. Positive and negative will be get cancelled. Now you can write other values. So here A, then the sign is being negative. So minus 2c. Both are positive. How to add? 4 plus 2 is what? 4 plus 2 is 6, which is equal to 0. By solving these two equations, you can again get another equation. So now look, this equation is similar to any of these equations. Here the variables are A and C. The third equation also it contains A and C. Now we can solve these fourth equation and the third equation. Now look at this side. What is our third equation? So both contains 2c. Here also 2c and here also 2c. Now we can easily cancel and get solution. So listen, write the third equation. 3a plus 2c minus 14 which is equal to 0. Then what is our fourth equation? A minus 2c plus 6 which is equal to 0. Then here positive and here negative. You can easily cancel and see the remaining values. Those are positive. You can add 3a plus a which will be 4a. Then minus 14 plus 6 which is equal to, both are in opposite sign. You can subtract and choose the highest sign. So subtracting you can get 8, which is the biggest sign. Negative is the biggest sign. So you can choose that negative sign which is equal to 0. 4a which is equal to, negative goes to that side means positive. 4a which is equal to 8. You need only the value for a, so you can divide the 8 by 4. So 8 by 4 is nothing but what? 2. Now you get one value. You get the one value a. You have to find b and c. So for that you have to substitute this a value in any of the given equation. So now I have substituted in the first equation. What is our first equation? A minus 2b plus 4 which is equal to 0. So our a value is 2 minus 2b plus 4 which is equal to 0. Now you can add the numbers first. Now you can add the numbers first. So what are the numbers? 2 and plus 4. 2 and plus 4 is nothing but 6. Minus 2b plus 6 which is equal to 0. You can take this number constant value to this side means it will change as negative. These negative sign and these negative sign will be cancelled. Then you can find the b value. So for that you can change to this side. Multiplication goes to this side means it will be a division. So 6 by 2 is 3. Now we got another value b. Now we have to find the value c. So we are preparing any of the other equation. But then you can substitute in second equation or else third equation. I have substituted in the third equation. So what is our third equation? The 2c I have written in the middle. 3a plus 2c minus 14 which is equal to 0. Instead of this a you have to substitute the 2 value. So I have substituted the 2. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 2c minus 14 which is equal to 0. Now I am subtracting those values. So this is negative and this is positive. Now I am subtracting, we get the negative value only because this is the highest sign. So 2c minus 8 which is equal to 0. We need only the value of c. So you have to change to this side. So multiplication comes to this side means division. 8 divided by 2 which is equal to 4. So third value also we got. So listen. We got a, b, c value only, but already we have taken what? A which is nothing but 1 by x. So this is in the form question 1 by x, 1 by y and 1 by z. So have to interchange and write the solution. So what is our A? So here C, x which is equal to what, 1 by x which is equal to A means to have to change and write. You need only x means have to interchange those values. So x goes to that side and A comes to this side. So what is our x? X which is equal to 1 by A. So 1 by A means 1 by 2. Likewise B also. Y which is equal to 1 by B. That means 1 by 3. C means Z. Z which is equal to 1 by C. 1 by C is 1 by 4. So listen once again how to solve the equation. If they given simple like this format means you can easily solve. You can take any of the two solutions and get solved. So if it is complicated like this, you can choose some variable notation like this. So here I have taken A, B, C. You can take P, Q, R, M and O like that. So afterwards, arrange and solve those values. At last, don't forget to do these steps. You can't simply write 2, 3 and 4. You have to substitute in that format. A which is equal to 1 by x, B which is equal to 1 by 1. At last C which is equal to 1 by z. So listen, for linear equation means it contains the first degree, only 1 degree. But quadratic equation means the power value will be 2. Linear equation, the power value is 1. 2x power 1. But for quadratic equation, that variable power will be 2. If it is 1, it is linear. If it is 2, it is quadratic. Everybody look page number 93, second problem. Discuss the natural solution of the following system of equation. So already we saw the system of equation. Nature for the system of equation. We know three system of equation. What are they? Unique, no solution, infinitely many solution. So what do you mean by unique? The variable x, y, z, you can get the values for x, y, z uniquely. Then second, no solution means the 0 which is equal to any of the number. 0 which is equal to 1 or any of the number. Infinitely many solution means 0 which is equal to 0. So if you solve any two equation, you get 0 which is equal to 0. Then look at this question. Second one, second subdivision. 2y plus z which is equal to 3 into minus x plus 1. This can be written as 2y plus z which is equal to multiple inner side. 3 into minus x is minus 3x. 3 into 1 is plus 3. Then you can take and arrange all the variables as single side. So here this is negative, you come to this side positive. 3x plus 2y plus z, you keep 3 as that itself. So which is equal to 3. Then second equation, minus x plus 3y minus z which is equal to minus 4. You take at the second. Then third, 3x plus 2y plus z which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So you should not change any of these two equations because look at first and third. What is first? 3x, here also 3x. 2y, here also 2y. Plus z. Only the constant terms get changed. If you sign change, all the x, y, z terms get cancelled. So, solving 1 and 3, write the first equation. 3x plus 2y plus z which is equal to 3. 3x plus 2y plus z which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now sign change. So what? 3x get cancelled, 2y get cancelled, z get cancelled. So after sign changing this negative into positive, you have to add those terms. So 3 plus 1 by 2, cross multiple. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 2. So you need to change this denominator to this side means 0 into 2 is what? 0 again, which is equal to 7. So 0 which is equal to any of the given number. So your system of equation contains no solution. Here contains no solution. At last you can write like this. So listen, it will be solved easily. First of all, you check with the equations. What are the equations will be get cancelled. So listen, similar sum, second one third subdivision. Here also you have to find the nature of the solution only. Y plus z by 4 which is equal to z plus x by 3 which is equal to x plus y divided by 2. And one thing is given x plus y plus z which is equal to 27. So listen, first of all you have to equate first two values. Y plus z which is equal to 4 equal to z plus x divided by 3. Then cross multiple those values. So 3y plus 3z which is equal to cross multiply 4 to that side, 4z plus 4x. Arrange in the single side. So this is positive, so you can take that terms to this side. 4x, this 3y comes to this side means minus 3y plus 4z. Then positive 3z goes to that side means negative 3z which is equal to 0. So then listen, 4x minus 3y. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 is that which is equal to 0. Now take these equation as 1. Then now we have equated first and 2. Then equate first and 3. Equating first and 3. What is our first? Y plus z divided by 4 which is equal to x plus y is divided by 2. Then listen, here 4 and 3, a common divisor is 1. But here 4 and 2, common divisor is 2. You have to cancel in the 2 table. It will be 2 and it changes into 1. Now cross multiple. 1 into y plus z is y plus z which is equal to 2 into x plus y. 2x plus 2y. Then listen, you have to interchange this to this side. 2x plus 2y. Then this one changes to that side means it will be a negative. Positive comes to negative. Minus y minus z which is equal to 0. So check 2x. Here two terms are y. So subtract. 2y minus y is simply as y minus z which is equal to 0. Now take these as second equation. Already one equation given the question. You take that equation as third. Equating 1 and 2 you get first equation. Equating 1 and 3 you get second equation. Third equation already given in the question. Now you can solve the equations and find the values for x and y, z. Then listen, I am solving first and 2. So what is our first equation? 4x minus 3y plus z which is equal to 0. Then second equation is 2x plus y minus z equal to 0. Both terms contains only z. Sign also changed here itself. So you can simply cancel and write another equation. So 4x plus 2x nothing but 6x. Then minus 3y plus y is minus 2y which is equal to 0 because of z and z get cancelled. Now likewise x and y term you have to get from another two equations. So I am taking second and third, z must be cancelled. Here also z and here also z. So you can simply cancel the z and find out the values. Then listen, second equation 2x plus y minus z which is equal to 0. What is our third equation? X plus y plus z which is equal to 27. This is negative z and here positive z. Both are get cancelled. So what are the other values? 2x, x. So 2x plus x is 3x plus here also positive y, here also positive y. So positive means you can add. Y plus y is 2y. Which is equal to 0 plus 27 is 27. Now take these as fifth equation. So solve this 4 and 5. Both contain x, y terms. Okay. Then here plus 2y and here negative 2y. So you can easily cancel and get the x value. So write the fourth equation 6x minus 2y which is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y which is equal to 27. Positive and negative get cancelled. So you can add the x variables. So 6x plus 3x is nothing but 9x which is equal to 0 plus 27 is 27. So we need only the value of x. So you have to divide the 27 by 9. So 27 by 9 is nothing but 3. To get one solution for x. Then find out y and z value. For finding y, I have substituting that x value in the fourth equation. So our fourth equation is 6x minus 2y which is equal to 0. Substitute instead of x 24. Substitute x instead of 3. So 6 into 3 is what? 6 3s are minus 6 3s 6 into 3 minus 2y which is equal to 0. 18 minus 2y which is equal to 0. We need value of y only, so we have to change to that side. So negative goes that side means positive. So only y value need. You can divide that 18 by 2. 18 by 2 is 9. You get the value for y. So listen. After completing the x value, you need to find y and z. So for finding y and substituting that x value in the fourth equation, what is our fourth equation? 6x minus 2y which is equal to 0. 6x minus 2y which is equal to 0. So instead of 30x, I am substituting 3. 6 into 3 minus 2y which is equal to 0. 6 3s are 18 minus 2y which is equal to 0. So change this variable to this side. So negative gets positive. 18 which is equal to 2y. We need only the value of y. So divide that 18 by 2. So 18 by 2 is 9. Now we got x, y value. How to find z value? So for that I am substituting that x and y value in the third equation. X plus y plus z which is equal to 27. So what is our x? Our x is 3, our y is 9. We don't know z. Now I am only going to find out z which is equal to 27. So add these numbers, you get 12. 12 plus z which is equal to 27. So you need z value only. So take this 12 to that side. Positive will get negative. 27 minus 12. Subtracting those values, you get 15. So you get x, y, z value. So each and every value get the unique solution. So we can say the system of equation contain unique solution where x equal to 3, y equal to 9, z equal to 15. So in this problem, you have to find the answer of the solution means you think in the three conditions only. First condition, unique solution means you can separately get the values for x, y, z. If it is no solution, you solving any of the equation, you get 0 which is equal to any number. It is infinitely many solution means solving the two equation you get 0 which is equal to 0. So keeping this in mind and solve these problems. Okay. Everybody look page number 93, third problem. Bonnie, her father and her grandfather have an average age of 53. One of her grandfather's age plus 1/3 of her father's age plus 1/4 of Bonnie's age is 65. 4 years ago, if Bonnie's grandfather was 4 times as old as Bonnie, then how old are they are now? So in this question, they have separately given three equations as a word form. We have to change that word into a equation. So first listen to the up to first full stop. Bonnie, her father and her grandfather have an average age of 53. What do you mean by average? Average is nothing but sum of the values divided by number of values. So sum of the values means if they given any two values, you have to sum that value and divide the number of values. How many numbers? 1 and 2. Two numbers are there. So sum the value and divide the total value. That is called to be an average. So let the present age of Bonnie, her father and her grandfather be x, y, z respectively. We don't know what are the ages. So we can take the variable as x, y, z. X is present age of Bonnie, y is the present age of her father and z is the present age of her grandfather. From the first statement, we can write x plus y plus z divided by 3 equal to 53. That means the average of Bonnie, father and her grandfather which is equal to 53. Already given in the question. So you have to write like this. Then next, listen to the question. One of her grandfather's age plus 1/3 of her father's age plus 1/4 of Bonnie's age is 65. So 1/3 of grandfather, who is grandfather here? The grandfather's age is z. So 1 by half means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into z plus already given the question plus then 1/3 of father. Who is father here? My father is y. 1 by 3 of y plus 1/4 of 1e. So 1/4 of 1e is x. 1 by 4 of x, which is equal to 65. So all the denominators are different. So you have to take LCM for that. If you are taking LCM for that, 3, 2, 4, 2 table 1 time, 3, 2 times. Then again you can do the 2 table 1 time, 3 times and 1 time. At last 3 only there. So you have to find 3 table 1, 1, 1. So multiple those values. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is our LCM. So when you get 12, multiple and divide with 6, you can get 12. So 6 is divided by 12. Then when you get 12 here, multiple and divide by 4. 4y divided by 12. Here 3 into 3. So 3 into x divided by 3 into 4. That is called 3x, which is equal to 65. Then you take this denominator to that side. Division goes to that side means multiplication. So 65 into 12, which is 780. 6z plus 4y plus 3x, which is equal to 780. We find out two equations. Using that average value, find out first equation. Then next 1/2 and 1/3, 1/4 already given the question. So using that, we have find out another equation. Then listen to the third equation. 4 years ago, if Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani, then how old are they all now? 4 years ago, that means you have to separate both Vani and her grandfather by 4. Then 4 times means you have to multiple. So her grandfather age is 4 times what Vani's age. So 4 years account means both terms you have to subtract by 4. Z minus 4, x minus 4. Grandfather's age is 4 times as Vani's age. So for that Vani you have to multiple with 4. So you take Z minus 4 and multiple this. 4 into x is 4x. 4 4s are 16. The negative, so minus 16. Align into a single equation. So here positive, so we have to align all this to that side. 4x plus z changes to that means minus z. You have to change this number to this side means what comes? Minus 4. This 16 goes means plus 16. Then listen, 4x minus z, which is equal to, both are in opposite signs, so you have to subtract and put the biggest number sign. So 16 minus 4 is 12. 16 is positive, so you can keep it as positive. 4x minus z, which is equal to 12. To take these as third equation. First equation using the average. Second equation half, 1/3, 1/4. And third equation is grandfather's age. 4 years ago, grandfather's age is 4 times as Vani's age. So you have solved this equation also. So look at the first equation and the third equation. Now I am going to solve first and third equation. So what is our first equation? X plus y plus z, which is equal to 159. Third equation, there is no y. So you can take that as plus y. So 4x plus y plus 0y minus z, which is equal to 12. So look, two equation, here positive and negative. So positive z and negative z get cancelled. So what are the other terms? So nothing is here means you can take that as 1. So 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5x. Here also 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Simply written as y, which is equal to, adding those numbers you get 171. So again another equation. So third equation completed, take it as 4. Then solve. Already we solved first and third. Now we have to solve second and third. So what is the second equation? 3x, 4y, 6z. Align in the format. 3x, 4y plus 6z, which is equal to 780. But here z contains only what? 1 z. So you have to multiple throw into 6. So third equation is multiple into 6. We get 4 into 6 is 24x. There is no y. So you take plus 0y minus 1 into 6 is 6. 6 is that, which is equal to 12 into 6 is 72. Now check, these two are in opposite signs, so you can get cancel easily. Then these are positive signs, you can add. So 24 plus 3 is 27x plus 4 plus 0 is 4. 4y which is equal to 780 plus 72. So what you get? 852. Again you get another equation. You take that equation as 5. Then listen. Now you can solve 4 and 5. Solving 4 and 5. You can multiply that with 4. So if you multiply it with 4 means what you get? 5 into 4 are 20x plus 1 into 4 are 4y. 4 into 171 is written as 684. Then listen to the next one. Fifth equation can be written as same it is. So what's the fifth equation? 27x plus 4y which is equal to 852. Now you have to change the sign only, the values get cancelled. So change the sign. Throughout the equation you can change the sign. So positive, all are positive, so change this as negative. So minus 27 plus 20, you get minus 7x. Minus 4y plus 4y get cancelled. Minus 852 minus 684. It will be minus 168. Then x which is equal to, we need only x. So you can divide that value with 7. So if you divide 168 with 7, you get 24. You find out one value. X is 2, x is Vani's age, so Vani's age is 24 years. Substitute these x value in the fourth equation. So what is the fourth equation? 5x plus y which is equal to 171. So substitute the x value. 5 into 24 plus y which is equal to 171. 5 into 24 is what? 120 plus y which is equal to 171. You can take these numbers to that side. Positive will get changed into negative sign. 171 minus 120. Subtracting those values you get 51. Who is y? Y is Vani's father. So Vani's father's age is 51. Now you substitute this x and y value in the first equation. So first equation or third equation. Any equation you can substitute and find. Here I substituted in x value in third equation. So x value in third equation, what is the third equation? 4x minus z which is equal to 12. So 4 into x value is 24 minus z which is equal to 12. So 4 into 24 is 96 minus z which is equal to 12. We need only z value, so you have to change the number to that side. It will get negative. So positive and negative you get subtracted and put the biggest number sign. The 96 is the biggest number, so you put negative sign. Subtract those values, you get minus 84. So we need only z, so both negative signs get cancelled. Z equal to 84. Then who is z here? Here z is Vani's grandfather. So present age of Vani is 24 years. Present age of Vani's father is 51 years. Present age of Vani's grandfather is 84 years. So look the question once again. Vani, her father and her grandfather have an average age of 53. One of her grandfather's age plus 1/3 of her father's age plus 1/3 of her Vani's age is 65. 4 years ago, if Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani, then how old are now? So listen. We don't know what about their ages. So you can simply take it as x, y, z. So average they told. If you find the average, that will be 53. So you have to sum all the ages. X plus y plus z whole divided by how many persons are there? There are 3 persons. So keep it in denominator which is equal to 53. So set as a single equation. Then for second equation, half of grandfather's age plus 1/3 of father's age plus 1/4 of Vani's age which is equal to 65. So you have to find LCM for each value. You get what LCM? 12. So 12 you have to gather and write as a single equation. At last third, 4 years ago, Vani's grandfather age is 4 times as old as Vani. So you have to arrange. 4 years ago means you have to subtract both terms. You have to subtract by 4. So z minus 4 into 4 times means what a multiple 4 into x minus 4. So multiple inside and arrange in a single set, get another equation. So 3 equation we got. So solving 1 and 2 or 2 and 3, you get another equation. So again you solve the equations and get the value for each x, y, z variables. So x is Vani's age, y is her father's age, z is her grandfather's age. Look at page number 93, fifth problem. There are 12 pieces of 5, 10 and 20 rupee currencies whose total value is 105. When first two sorts are interchanged in their number, its value will be increased by rupees 20. Find the number of currencies in each sort. Listen. In the statement, first what they given? There are 12 pieces of 5, 10 and 20 rupees. So we don't know how much 5 rupee coin and how much 10 rupee and 20 rupee. So we simply take that as, let the number of 5, 10 and 20 rupee currencies be x, y, z respectively. So what they told you? There are 12 pieces of. So how many pieces totally? So you can sum up all the 5, 10 and 20 rupees. So x plus y plus z, which is equal to 12. Then what is the second statement? Whose total value is 105. Whose total value is 105. So 5 into x, 5 rupee currency, 10 rupee currency, 10 into y plus 20 into z, 20 rupee currency, which is equal to total sum is 105. Here you can simply take totally there will be 12 currencies. So x plus y plus z, which is equal to 12. In this second statement, what they take? 5 rupee currency, 10 rupee currency, 20 rupee currencies, total sum is 105. Then look at the next one. When two sorts are interchanged in their numbers, its value will be increased by 20. If you change the first two sorts, what are the x and y values? If you change this x and y values, your total value will be increased by 20. So first of all, change these two values. What are the value? This 10 goes to x place and 5 goes to y place. 10x plus 5y plus this z remains same. 20z is equal to already here 105. So if you change the sorts, the value will be increased by 20. So you can add this value with 20. So 105 plus 20 is 125. When first two sorts are interchanged, the value increased by rupees 20. So already we written 5x plus 10y plus 20 is equal to 105. That means 5 rupee currency, 10 rupee currency, 20 rupee currency, the total sum is 105. You have to change the two sorts. Two sorts means first two sorts, here x and y. Change the coefficient value. If you are changing, this 10 comes to 5 place, 5 goes to this 10's place. 10x plus 5y plus 20 is which is equal to 105 plus 20 is 125. Now you got three equations, first, second and third. You have to solve it now. So first I am taking second equation and third equation because here also 20 z, here also 20 z. Z will be get cancelled, so we can form another equations easily. Then listen, solving second and third equation. I take simply the second and third equation as this. So what is the second equation? 5x plus 10y plus 20z, which is equal to 105. So what is the third one? 10x plus 5y plus 20z, which is equal to 125. Then cancelling, sign change, interchange the whole signs and cancel those values. Here positive 20z, here negative 20z, both get cancelled. What are the other values? 5x minus 10x. So 10 is the biggest number, so we put negative sign first, subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5, so 5x. So here 10 is positive, 5 is negative. So you have to subtract and put the larger number side, larger number is 10. So positive 5y, which is equal to, here if you cancel those values, get 25. Minus 125 is the biggest number, so you have to put negative sign. So what equation you got? Minus 5x plus 5y which is equal to minus 20z. Take this equation as fourth equation. Now you solve another two equations. You have solved first and second equation. So what is the first equation? X plus y plus z which is equal to 12. But for look at the second equation, what is the second equation? 5x plus 10y plus 20 z equal to 105. So in this case you have to get x and y similarly here also. So for that I have multiple into 20 because z value is 20 in the second equation. First equation is the z coefficient is just 1. So I have to completely multiple that equation with 20 only. The 20z and 20z get cancelled. So first equation will be multiplied by 20. So multiple 1 into 20 is 20x plus 20y plus 20z which is equal to 20 into 12 are 240. Then second equation write as it is 5x plus 10y plus 20z which is equal to 105. Now cancel the similar values. Here also 20z, here also 20z. First of all you have to interchange all the sign. So interchange sign, here all are positive, so all will be changed as negative. Then listen, 20z and 20z get cancelled. What are the remaining terms? 20x minus 5x is nothing but 15x. This 20y minus 10y is nothing but positive 10y because this is only a biggest sign which is equal to, here you have to see 240 is the biggest number, 240 minus 105 is nothing but 135. So now you get another one equation, 15x plus 10y which is equal to 135. Take this equation as fifth equation. Now you can check the fourth and fifth equation. Both contain x and y variable. Solving that two equation you can get either x value or y value. Then listen. So comparing the two equation. So x coefficient is 5 and here 15, then y coefficient is 5 and here 10. So you have to solve first x, cancelling the x means you have to multiple that fourth equation throughout into what? 3. So I have multiplied the fourth equation throughout into 3. So 5 into 3 is minus 15x, 5 3s are 15y, then 20 into 3s are minus 60. Then this fifth equation written as it is. 15x plus 10y which is equal to 135. Without changing the sign, both get cancelled. Minus 15x plus 15x both get cancelled. What are the remaining terms? Both are positive. You can add. 15 plus 10 is 25. 25y which is equal to, this 125 is positive, 60 is negative. So you can subtract those values, get 75. Finally, you need only y. So you shift this 25 to this side means 75 divided by 25. How many times it will come? 125 is 25, 225 are 50, 325 are 75. So y which is equal to 3. Now you get one value, y value. You have to find another two value x and z. Then substitute that y value in the fourth equation. So what is the fourth equation? Minus 5x plus 5y. Instead of that y, you have to substitute this 3. So 5 into 3 which is equal to minus 20. Minus 5x, multiple those values. 5 3s are 15 which is equal to minus 20. Take this number to this side, variable will be remain same. Minus 5x which is equal to minus 20. This plus sign comes to this side means negative sign. Minus 15. So minus 5x which is equal to, both are negative, put the negative sign and add those values. 20 plus 15 is 35. So how many 5s are 35? 7 5s are 35. Now you get the value for x. So substitute this x and y value in the first equation. What is the first equation? X plus y plus z which is equal to 12. Instead of x, you can substitute 7. Instead of y, you substitute 3 plus z equal to 12. We need only z. So for that, add this number and take that to another side. So z which is equal to 12 minus this positive comes to side negative. So subtracting those values, you get 2. So z value is 2. So you get the values for x, y and z. Now substitute those values in the first equation. So what is the first equation? X plus y plus z. So how many 5 rupee coin you have? You have 7 5 rupee coins plus how many 10 rupee coin? 3 10 rupee coin plus how many 20 rupees? How many 20 rupees? 2 20 rupees. You had 7 5 rupee currencies and 10 3 rupees currencies and 2 20 rupee currency. Now you can add all values. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So finally you get the first value. Likewise you have to find. And listen, in question they asked you to find how many what 5 rupee coins and how many 10 rupee currencies and how many 20 rupee currencies. So you have 7 5 rupee currencies, 3 10 rupee currencies and 2 20 rupee currencies. So each and every theoretical problem you have to read the question once or twice, then only get the clear solution. So read the question carefully, look at the book. There are 12 pieces of 5, 10, 20 rupee currencies whose total value is rupees 105. So total rupees 105. If you add, you get the total value. Then when two slots are get interchanged and in their numbers, its value will be increased by 20. So if you change these slots, the value will be increased by 20. That also done. So first equation, second equation, third equation. You can solve these equations, get the values x, y, z. Okay, thank you children.